Good evening, everyone. Let's begin our session. Today, we are going to learn 10 new words. The first one, unprecedented. And the meaning is never before known or experienced. Now, let's look at some examples. Just before the lockdown, there was an unprecedented demand for food supplies which left many stores empty. We are all aware of the lockdown situation, isn't it? Just before the lockdown was announced itself, people was really panicked and they were buying food supplies in huge quantities. Another example of the use of the word unprecedented is the coronavirus pandemic has led to an unprecedented demand for sanitizers. Now let's look at the second word for the day. Our second word is sovereignty, which means supreme power or authority. And let's look at the usage of the word. The sovereignty and integrity of our country cannot be compromised. It is in the context of the present situation between India and China. Now the next word is martyrdom, and the meaning is the death or suffering of a martyr. Let's look at an example usage. Martyrdom of Indian soldiers had shaken up the country. Now let's look at the next word. Tranquility, a state of peace and quiet. In short, tranquility means calm. Now the usage is nations should maintain peace and tranquility in the borders. Isn't it? It's also relevant in the present context. Now a lot of issues are going on between India and China, and in that context the word is used. The next word is bilateral. Bilateral means involving two parties. For example, bilateral agreements are signed between countries. Normally, two countries will sign some agreements and those agreements are called bilateral agreements. Now the next word is equitable, which means fair and impartial. Let's look at an example. Both the sides agreed to find an equitable compromise. So whenever there is any dispute or conflict, both the sides will discuss and will agree to find an equitable compromise. Equitable means very fair. It's an impartial compromise. Okay. Now the next word is metaphor. Metaphor is a thing regarded as representative or symbolic of something else. We use the word metaphor as a symbolic of something else. For example, the soldier was a lion on the battlefield, which means he was so ferocious, he was in such anger. Understood? So let's look at the next word. Grapples. Grapples means to struggle with something or someone. And example is, the police grappled with the thief for the gun. So it is like struggling with the thief for the gun. And the next word is proclamation. Proclamation is a public or official announcement dealing with a matter of great importance. And an example usage is, a presidential proclamation was used to declare the state a disaster area. Hope you understood the context. And now the last word for the day is moratorium. Moratorium means temporary prohibition of an activity. This term is very much familiar in the present context, isn't it? RBI introduced loan moratorium scheme during the lockdown. that everyone is familiar with, isn't it? The customers need not have to make any payments for the moratorium period. That is moratorium. So hope all the words are clear to everyone. Please note it down and keep watching the channel. Okay? Thank you.